Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying which Windows 7 edition and architecture you run, because the service pack file must match. Once done, make a restore point and backup key files. This protects you if the update fails. Next, confirm at least one. 5 GB free for 32-bit or 3 GB for 64-bit, and plug in the machine so it won't sleep. Finally, decide whether to install via Windows Update or a full offline package. Choose offline if updates fail or bandwidth is limited. You now get the correct SB1 installer. If using Windows Update, install any important updates first. This prevents setup errors. Alternatively, download the standalone MSU for your exact edition and architecture and save it locally. Run the installer as administrator, close other programs to avoid conflicts, and follow prompts. The process can take 20 to 60 minutes. Your system will restart. If prompted, let Windows search for updates after SB1 to finish prerequisite pack. You finish by confirming service pack 1 appears under installed updates in control panel, which means the update integrated correctly. If the installer fails, make sure disk space and internet are stable, then run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to repair corrupt files and retry the offline MSU. Once done, run Windows Update again to pick up any follow-on patches. If problems persist, perform a clean boot or install from safe mode, and use your restore point to revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.